No! Oh my, he just went in the woods. What is he doing?
All right, guys, so we are about to load up the trailer. We're about to hook it up to Rory's truck. Todd's right here. He's awful. Yeah, we're loading this up. As you guys can tell by the title of this, we were going to buy Whistlin Diesel's 2nd gen. Do I need another truck? Absolutely not. Am I getting one? Yes. Do we need more trucks over here? Absolutely not.
Oh yeah.
Are we getting one? Absolutely.
Yeah.
What's up, Todd?
Look at the clench on the GoPro. You guys see how he's holding it?
The death grip.
The death grip on the GoPro is awful.
Dude, it's about to snap. That's how hard I'm holding it. Yeah, we're hooking this sucker up, about to leave for Nashville. About a 7-hour drive or so. And we'll get there tonight, and then we're gonna probably film all day tomorrow. Then we'll probably leave the next day. And yeah, if you guys don't know what truck I'm talking about, it's that big red 2nd gen. It's 800 horse, twin turbo. It's in, you know, pretty rough shape, as you know, with Whistlin Diesel. It's an opportunity I couldn't pass up. And, you know, 2nd gens are awful trucks. Not really, but I already have one, of course. Oh, yeah, she's ready. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, first try.
That's good.
Didn't even need me.
I'll make sure it's perfect. It's going to be carrying a very pristine truck.
We cut the bed off, so we have a flat bed.
It's been babied, it's been garage kept.
We accidentally busted the back window out.
God damn it!
Yeah, it's a solid truck. I think it's got like minor like scratches. We are fueling up after our little mishap with a crack house room that had stains on the wall and had piss stains on the bed, which, you know, is fine. It's definitely normal. All like the decent hotels were all sold out, and then we had to go to this like crack house one. There's pee in the middle of the mattress, basically like stained, and there's like a cigarette burn through the, I don't know what burn it was. It was a burn either way, and it was all the way through the sheets. And then I don't think the carpet was ever like vacuumed ever. Yeah, it was awful. For humid room, the bed was like a sponge that was just dipped in piss, and
I'd rather
sleep in a Love's trash can.
we're thinking about doing that right now. We're tired. The whole room smelled like weed, so that was covering up the shit smell.
Should I turn the lights on?
I wish I could see it better. Bro, looks like he's on meth out here. Oh, she's a yoon.
Parked in the shade. Easy treats her right, huh?
Out of the sun.
Yeah. See?
Look at the plane. Look at the plane. Thing's awful. Thing's a yoon.
Proud owner of a half snack.
I just got the dog.
Pretty good at getting in tall trucks these days, you know.
Door falls off.
Dude, watch the
Is there any
seats.
secret switches or anything?
None of the bull crap works that he installed.
Do you even need the key or?
Dude, he's
It's the only thing you need.
That
I
dude's-
don't know what all the other garbage is.
that dude's awful.
Oh, it's good. Yeah.
The engine's solid.
You can put it to the floor, pull it all the way down in one, and it'll like lag, and then it'll build a ton of boost, and then it'll take off.
That's the way to do it.
Yeah. All the way to the floor, and
Dude, this thing's a unit.
It takes off real slow.
Dude, it didn't take much damage from the airplane. It sounds great, actually. Yeah, the wheels are solid. I'm surprised you didn't like sand them with rocks or
Only
something.
one of them is a little curved, that's it.
That's impressive.
Come on. And then let it just keep going. It won't take off right away. It builds up.
Dude, I don't give a shit.
You're not gonna hurt
Oh my god. Thing's awful. I love it. Dude,
Hold your foot on the brake and the gas and let it build boost. Not downshifting.
No, I'm good. I'll drive it. I'll drive it in my neighborhood. I'm gonna get arrested. I'm gonna park it in my driveway like for a couple days in my house. I'm gonna get kicked out, but I'm ready to leave there anyway. So.
Oh yeah. It's still not fire.
I think it'll make it up the trailer. I think it'll be fine. We got a winch anyways.
Yeah, I got a winch on it. Dude, she's a beaut.
I think it's just shifting up in the gear. If you get it to stay in a lower gear, it'll just build boost and it'll like rock it.
It felt good when it took off. And
Dude, she's stout. Air cooled fucking diffs. Look at it.
Comes with spacers.
You put the spacers on?
There's 6 inches of spacers on each side.
nice.
That's sick.
Front two or?
No, just back.
Crank up that Yoon.
Alright, when you driving it?
Oh yeah, just be careful with her. I know. The smoke on startup's brutal. You'll love to see it.
Oh, it's got lights.
The lights still work in the rear. Who needs reverse?
I think it only goes into first. Forward.
This is how you have to move it. The thing is so beautiful. It sounds decent. We almost might be better off winching it. It's a little sketchy having to like hammer on it like that.
Yeah.
Like having to like boost launch it up the trailer.
Well, especially like over the hump of the wheel.
Oh, and these come off.
Yeah.
Will it move? Will it move? Yeah, you can just cut her. Does it have neutral?
Yeah.
It does? You think it goes in a nooch?
Right.
I miss having one. Still film on an iPhone? Dude, I'm starting to use a GoPro. Hey, one sec. Oh, I think.
You're gonna want to put your.
You want me to hold it?
Oh, we're good.
Yeah, usually the wood does it, but. Dude. Thing's hilarious.
It's the ridge line under there.
Dude, that thing looks nice. How much you want for that?
Probably not for sale. I don't know, I think 10.
That's hilarious. Are you talking about the airplane?
What?
The airplane?
I'd sell the airplane for 8.
That's
no,
cool.
I'd sell it for like 4.
Oh, okay.
Squatted truck.
Oh, the squatter. That's exciting. Dude, this is perfect property though.
Yeah, I haven't even used a tenth of it.
The dog must just love it out here. Paw thing. This thing is mint though.
It wasn't stealing the truck.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I had to come off.
Just need new mounts. That's all it is. I'll take out a minivan on the way.
I don't know where to sign this thing.
Do it on the visor.
That'll work.
Dude, if I sound that thing's letting loose.
You wanna give it a go?
Dude, it's gonna explode if I get on it.
Safety matters. You probably should just get on it.
I don't want anyone stealing the truck. They couldn't even leave it. Like, there's no way they could get it off the trailer.
No, there's no way, but you know how crazy people are. They might try and take the head thing out
No,
of it.
you're fine. You hauled shit all the way across. The people will stop and talk to you, but they won't. That should hang on.
You can kill a family at 4.
So, yeah. As long as things
All right, we'll drive safe.
Hey man, thank you.
Nice meeting y'all.
Yeah man, I appreciate it.
Nice meeting you.
Thanks for giving me a shot. That was quick.
Yeah, thanks.
He
for
was
letting
he was coming over. I'm like, dude, we're gonna be going to
I
Tennessee.
told him, I was like, dude, I'll load the truck up tonight. Like,
That works. Yeah.
PayPal, dude. PayPal is a beautiful thing. Yeah, we're like North Florida, so like it's
Okay.
cool. Like
7
we
hours.
fishing and if you like fishing and stuff.
I
Yeah.
thought you were farther south.
No, we're what 6 hours,
Oh,
6,
okay.
7 hours.
Okay, sweet. So I'll have y'all out. So.
Dude, we need to.
It's an easy enough drive for us to just, Yeah, we'll have to come back. Is it pretty shaky or is it just like wood?
Are you worried about these amp steps falling off and killing someone or no?
Yeah.
Ooh, I am. That's gonna. That was how easy it came off. Hot.
This is toasty.
What are we doing with it, Todd?
Throwing it in the bed. Or through the windshield.
Oh, so this exhaust tip is actually off Monster Max, by the way, everyone. This truck is atrocious, but I like it. Back to Panama City, we'll do like another video, like assessing the damage and everything, and like the game plan with it. It definitely needs a lot of work, but it's gonna be a fun project. But I want to say a huge thank you to Whistlin Diesel for letting us come out here like last second and grabbing this truck and showed me around the property. It was awesome. This place is great. Obviously you guys know who he is, so steps came off.
Oh, sweet.
We just threw him in the bed. See you, dude. All right. Oh yeah. I will see you guys at the shop. We got about a 7-hour run to Panama City, so see ya. All right guys, we are unloading this thing here in a second. Of course, we are back here in Panama City, Resurrected Diesel Performance. So if you're in the local area, we're in Panama City. This shop's opening August 2nd. So Rory is moving this thing a little bit. We're gonna be pulling it off with the Duramax. Of course, you'll see it in the next video, because we're gonna do a video following up to this one, basically assessing the damage. You know, there's a lot more damage than, you know, the obvious. Like obviously the frame looks rough, the bed's gone, some small stuff like that, some minor stuff that'll buff out like that, but we're gonna do a full video going over everything, kind of like the game plan with it, what's worse than we thought, what's better than we thought, and yeah, as if we need more projects. We got the old Whistlin Diesel 2nd gen now, so the back glass is awful. But yeah, we're back in Panama City, so I'm gonna do, like I said, a follow-up video. Me, Rory, and Todd will do a follow-up video. Yeah, y'all be on the lookout for the next video. Go follow Todd. Is Resurrected Eric.
Underscore Eric.
And then obviously Resurrected Diesel and Duramax_Diesel, all on the screen, of course. And this shop's opening soon. That is gonna do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you guys are as excited as I am about this build. It was kind of it's definitely an impulse buy. I seen he was selling it, texted him, and luckily enough, he gave me the first shot. I got it. So, yeah, a lot of work to do on that. Of course, this truck's getting a full like solid axle swap. I'm gonna be able to jump this truck. You can't have a general lead without jumping it. And look forward to collabing with Whistlin Diesel in the future. That is property, and we're gonna have a lot of fun out there jumping and everything. So that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet and you're a Whistlin Diesel fan and you want to see what we're gonna do with this truck, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.
Oh my. Holy smokes. Oh, I hit the tree? Yeah, you took out the whole tree. I didn't see it. That tree is like this big. Oh, I hit all those. I didn't see it.